Okay guys, today we're going to be setting up the Google Smart Home Assistant to turn on this Xbox over here. This is an Xbox One S. Basically when you set the Google Assistant up, it will be able to basically turn your console on and off, launch games and apps, control media playback, and capture gameplay. So if you have an Alexa, there's a version set up that's different from the Google Home Assistant. But if you want a tutorial on this as well, let me know down in the comments. However, what you're going to need is a mobile working device that's set up to the same network. So I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a router down there that this is hardlined to, and I'm connected wirelessly. And what we're going to do is, step one, visit this website link to your mobile device. So you're going to take this link and you're going to type it into your browser on your phone and click enter. Okay, so make sure you type it in right, because I didn't and it took me to the homepage of Microsoft. But if you type in right, it should show like the Google Nest and instructions. Okay, on your phone or tablet, follow this shortcut. Link your Xbox to your Google account, so you can now control your Xbox. Okay, so essentially, right, we're gonna do this. We're gonna click that button, and it's gonna give you the option to open it with Chrome or the app, the Google Home app. And we're gonna click the Google Home app and hit once. It's gonna launch it, and now I believe this is where you're gonna type in your Outlook information in, if I'm not mistaken. Just gotta wait for it to load. Okay, so yeah, basically I'm gonna type your Outlook information that you would use to sign into your Xbox account. So give me 1 second. This may be this thing, stay signed in. You can do whatever you want. You don't really have to do this. I'm just gonna click no. Okay, this is giving permissions to access your Microsoft account and whatnot. We're gonna click yes and let it do its thing. Okay, add a smart home device, and it's detecting the Xbox because it's on the same network as that is. So we're going to click that, and we're going to add the room, and we're going to add it to my house. Summary, move device, this will move your device to another home. Added to my house, affects access for household members, move device. We're going to put it in the office, and device was moved. Smart device was added. Done. Finish setup. And yeah, I think now if we scroll down here, our Xbox is actually in the app. And just to give it a test run, hey Google, turn off Xbox.
Sure, turning off Xbox.
And it has officially turned it off. So if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Pretty simple setup, but I figured I'll show you guys just because I didn't know that was even in existence. But yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video.
Call my bluff, I won't pick up, I let it ring. Record your voice so I can listen back again.